Hi friends, welcome to this class. In this video, we are going to discuss about manufacture of Vanaspati ghee, right? So this Vanaspati ghee is there, right? So it is nothing but vegetable ghee, vegetable, because this ghee we prepare from uh, plant, plant oils, right? How we will prepare everything. So this is nothing but same hydrogenation. So but here we will maintain this in commercial method. So we have hydrogenator that I will tell you the structure and everything. So here also it is simply hydrogenation, right? So I have told. So whenever oil will be there, right? So oil will be having unsaturation. Unsaturation means double bond, right? Or triple bond, unsaturated. To that, what we will do, we add hydrogenation, that is H2 hydrogen we add, and we in at around 450 Kelvin in presence of nickel as a catalyst, we do the reaction and we'll get fat. That is here we'll get vanaspati ghee, right? Which is saturated because two hydrogens will add here. Other substituent will be there, no doubt, but hydrogens added, so unsaturated becomes saturated, right? So this is the reaction, but we do it in commercial method. How we will do that we shall see. So here in this preparation, that is vanaspati ghee, we can use these oils. So see, for example, groundnut oil, right? Groundnut oil. We can use cotton seed oil. Sorry, it is cotton, cotton, cotton seed oil, and coconut oil. This can be used, right? So we do this purification, we do purification or refine, we can call, we refine all these oils and we add it in a hydrogenator. Genator, what is this hydrogenator? It is an apparatus, it is a apparatus, right? So where this saturation, this hydrogenation, so let us see about that apparatus. So it will be like this simply, right? So it will be like this hydrogenator, it is, right? And here it will be having locking system where we lock, right? And here it will be having some things, let me tell them. So here there will be pump like this, which is connected like this to this, and here, right? So this is the pump, and here we will be having a thing like, right, right. So what we do, here there will be one more column, and we call it as inlet, and here it will be outlet, right? So let me tell you what are the things. So here what we do, here hydrogen will be there, right? That we will pass through this inlet, this column. So like this we will pass this hydrogen gas, right? And here this is pump, right? So this is pump contain what, here this column is the, right? Here we will take this oil, the oil above oils, in presence of nickel catalyst we will take. So that pump will pump and it will send it into this container like this, right? So what all the things will be there in the container? Now I can take this red. So here it will be like this. So this container contains, let me show you. So it contains this oil and this nickel, right? So these are the nickel, let us assume like that, right? And here what we will do, we will send here steam. Steam means water in vapor form, that we call steam, which maintains around 450 Kelvin temperature, right? So it goes inside like this and goes outside, right? So it is inlet, we can call inlet, and this is outlet, outlet of steam. Whereas here hydrogen gas we used to send, right? So this is inlet of hydrogen and it is outlet of hydrogen. This is outlet of hydrogen, right? So this is the apparatus. So we do this process. So here oil will be there, nickel will be there, and 400-degree temperature is maintained. So and here this process repeats. So here see, like this it goes inside, and again Like this cycle we always keep continuing until we'll get all the unsaturated bonds convert to saturated. Once all the saturated things are there, then what we'll do, just we open it and we collect it in a container. So here we will be having a molten fat now, because oil was unsaturated, now it convert to saturated. So I'll simply call it as fat, saturated fat. So it will be solid. Since it is at higher temperature, so it will be in molten form, and along with that it contains nickel. So in next step what we'll do, we purify, in which we remove this nickel, and finally we'll get this fat, right? Once we cold and we remove nickel, and we'll get fat which is in solid form. Like this we'll prepare this vanaspati ghee, right? I hope you understood it, right? So we will keep this cycle continue, like this cycle continued until we'll get this fat, saturated fat. So this is how we will prepare this vanaspati ghee. I hope you got it, right? So nothing much. So this is how hydrogenation happens. Everything I have told you in chemical reaction, but here the application part of it, right? So nickel acts as a catalyst, white acts, everything I have told it, right? So this is the story of vanaspati ghee, preparation of vanaspati ghee in hydrogenator. So this is the industrial method to prepare this one, right? So in next class let us see few more points. Till then, take care and have a great day.